Welcome friends. In this video I am going to discuss about join function. How join function helps us to concatenate or join the number of strings with a particular symbol. Okay, so let's see first example how it works, then you understand how the join going to be behave in a string. So first we have to take a list equal to, within the string list there is given as a quantity, then another is a keypad. Okay, inside the list they have two strings. Now I have to join, then there is another text I have to written here, double quote, there is a hash and dot join. Within the join the list means here all the elements inside the list. When I going to print the text, it returns you, see, quantity, there is a joining by the text symbol hash, then is a keypad. Okay, I will delete this particular, then run another time code. Then now see, understand, if I add multiple string means multiple string variables or string data here, quantity, hello, then comma, then world. Okay, inside the string I added two words, hello and world, two member. Now the hash will be joined in between the hello and world and keypad. So here see, quantity, hash, keypad, hash, hello, hash, world. Understand how the join behaves and join looks like, and how join will be help us by this particular symbol. Any symbol you have to take, you have to take here dollar, you have to take here explanation, you have to take here ampersand, whatever symbol you have to take it. The join means the words which are inside the list, tuple, anything, it will be connected each and every word in between this particular symbol. Fine. If you give in as a hyphen also, it works also. Hyphen, see, hyphen, quantity, keypad, hello, world, hyphen. So now you have to understand how the join function works inside the string array. So if you have any doubt further, then go to the comment box, type there. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and family members if they are interested to learn Python, and please subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon also. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get any notifications. Okay, thank you.